1959 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible Custom. Price: $16,998. Mileage: 30,000 miles. Location: Canal Fulton, Ohio. Blending iconic German heritage with custom hot rod styling, this 1959 Volkswagen Beetle convertible stands out as a fully reimagined classic finished in a clean, rust-free West Coast body. A shortened windshield, custom convertible top, and upgraded lighting setup give it a distinctive street presence, while custom wheels, fresh tires, and disc brake conversion add both style and safety. Modern touches like a GPS speedometer, Bluetooth-enabled Jensen stereo, Boss speakers, and a backup camera bring everyday usability into a vintage platform without losing its retro charm. Power comes from a later model 1,600 cubic centimeters engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and Hurst shifter, delivering a lively and engaging driving experience. 1974 Rupp Herbie Jr. Go-kart. Price: $4,995. Location: Stanley, New York. A rare piece of movie-inspired history, this 1974 Rupp Herbie Jr. Go-kart captures the charm of Disney's Herbie Rides Again promotion era in an authentic, unrestored survivor condition. The original fiberglass Volkswagen Beetle-style body retains factory character, period-correct decals, and only light age-related stress marks that are expected after 5 decades. Sitting on its original factory wheels and tires, the kart preserves its vintage stance exactly as it was built, making it a true collector-grade time capsule rather than a restored replica. Power is delivered through its factory-correct engine, which has been carefully maintained to remain fully operational. 1971 Volkswagen Beetle. Price: $14,900. Mileage: 999,999 miles. Location: Harleysville, Pennsylvania. Built far beyond a standard Beetle, this 1971 Volkswagen Baja Bug is a Class 5 pre-runner-style machine designed for off-road durability and desert performance. Originally developed by a racing group and spent years in Utah and Arizona terrain, the chassis has been engineered for strength with a full roll cage, removable steering wheel, and 5-point harness system. KC daylighters, heated seats, and aggressive Mickey Thompson tires add both functionality and off-road presence, while the solid rust-free body reflects its dry climate history. Included extras such as a rear seat, tow bar, and spare parts package enhance its versatility for the next owner. 1974 Volkswagen Rail Buggy. Price: $8,000. Location: Braunston, Kentucky.
Okay, fire it up.
Built by Johnny's Speed and Chrome, this 1974 Volkswagen Rail buggy delivers a lightweight, open-air off-road experience with a bold yellow-on-yellow finish that instantly stands out. Designed as a street-legal sand rail, the minimalist tubular chassis focuses on performance, simplicity, and fun rather than comfort. Fresh tires and recently serviced brakes support safe operation, while the compact footprint and exposed frame give it a classic dune buggy attitude that thrives on backroads, trails, and sunny weekend cruising. Power comes from a recently rebuilt 1915 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen engine, providing lively acceleration and strong torque for its lightweight construction. 1961 fiberglass body. Price: $10,500. Location: Pompton Plains, New Jersey. Blending classic beach buggy styling with reliable Volkswagen engineering, this VW Dune buggy features a lightweight 1961 fiberglass body mounted on a later VW drivetrain setup, creating a simple yet highly enjoyable open-air cruiser. The compact frame and minimal bodywork deliver a raw, connected driving feel, while the included tow bar and extras add practicality for transport and storage. Properly titled in New Jersey and described as ready to ride, it presents as a straightforward, turnkey recreational buggy with classic charm. Power comes from a 1973 1,600 cubic centimeters dual carburetor air-cooled Volkswagen engine, known for its durability and easy maintenance. 1967 AC Cobra kit car. Price: $44,900. Mileage: 20,000 miles. Location: Johnson City, Tennessee. Finished in a striking atomic orange, this 1967 AC Cobra replica delivers the aggressive styling and raw performance attitude that defines the Cobra name, while embracing a modern performance foundation. Built on a custom chassis and designed as a driver-focused machine, the car carries a bold street presence with its low stance, wide rear tires, and classic roadster proportions. Rather than aiming for concours originality, the build prioritizes speed, usability, and an unfiltered driving experience that feels alive the moment it hits the road. Power is supplied by a high-performance GM Corvette C06 engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, creating a strong modern drivetrain package beneath the vintage-inspired body. 2016 Berrien buggy. Price: $15,000. Location: Mooresville, North Carolina. Finished in eye-catching Coca-Cola red with a black bikini top, this 2016 Berrien buggy blends modern rebuild quality with classic Volkswagen Dune buggy character. Built on a heavily refurbished 1973 VW frame, the entire running gear has been rebuilt and upgraded, including a refreshed front end, steering system, shocks, and brake components. The stance is completed with custom aluminum wheels, 15-inch up front and 17-inch in the rear, wrapped in lightly used Mastercraft Avenger GT tires, giving it a balanced mix of street style and off-road attitude. Power is delivered through a rebuilt and modified 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen engine paired with a matching transmission and EMPI shifter, enhanced by dual carburetors for improved throttle response and drivability. 2000 Mexican VW Beetle. Price: $6,000 to $8,000. Location: Atlantic Beach, Florida. Blending classic Volkswagen simplicity with beach-ready personality, this 2000 Mexican Beetle stands out as a lightweight coastal cruiser with a relaxed, custom buggy vibe. Built on the iconic swing axle platform, it carries a stripped-down, fun-focused character that fits perfectly with its super dope beach buggy styling. Fresh tires, upgraded braking components, and a disc brake conversion on all four corners give it improved stopping power and modern drivability, making it more capable than a standard air-cooled Beetle.